Well, welcome back, or I should say myself, welcome back to YouTube. Ben and I are up at I got the Indian Heaven Wilderness, I think, or at least near it. We are gonna be gravel riding today. Our plan was to be bike packing, but we are so underprepared for bike packing, it's actually stupid. No packs, no like bike packs really, and we were going to be carrying 35 pounds of weight on our backs, so we decided not to do that. But yeah, we're just gonna go for a little gravel ride along the Fire and Ice Cave Loop in southeast.
What?
South.
Fire and Ice Cave Loop, Gifford Pinchot National Forest.
Yeah, there we go. And yeah, the gravel looks really cool, really fun, and let's hope we don't get rained on. It's a little chilly out, but let's get ready and start pedaling away. Well, we've been riding for about 30 minutes so far. These gravel roads are pretty freaking sweet. We're having a great time. Ben and his fluorescent get up that he has got going today is freaking hilarious. He needs to seriously invest in some actual bike clothes. And yeah, so we're just gonna keep putzing along. Try to make it Sawtooth Berry Fields, I think. That's kind of like the main point of interest on this route. Turn around and then hopefully have a descent / ascent on our way back to the car. And then later tonight, go grab a beer at a brewery. It may be raining a little bit. Yeah, it's raining more than a little bit. It's raining a lot. I think we're just gonna hunker down right here and wait for it to pass over. Should be pretty quick, I think. But yeah, can't really do much about it now. I think we are being forced to turn around. I am not about to go walk through some snow in cycling shoes. Ben, are you? Yeah. So we're gonna turn around, go back to the car. Majority of it should be downhill. So fast. Take my rain jacket off, I think, and just cruise. So yeah. Great day, besides the rain, but looks like the sun's coming out, so it should be even more beautiful than it was before. I forgot to do an outro, of course, but you want to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more content for Future Adventure, that'd be sweet. And yeah, it was an awesome time hanging out with Ben, being able to ride some gravel. Hopefully by the end of the summer, we're actually able to finish the entire loop.
of the Fire and Ice Cave Loop. And yeah, I guess all there else to say is I'll see you guys out in the trails, and I'll catch you on the next one.